The ground control box features a new smart system, Activ'Screen, an onboard monitor screen and diagnostic smart system designed to make life easier for both users and rental companies. Activ'Screen gives the operator access to key real-time information on the functioning and status of the machine. It helps users to maximize machine uptime and to avoid unnecessary service calls or field interventions. The dashboard displays many standard indicators. Activ'Screen displays in real time machine alarms, such as tilt and overload, to better guide the operator and potential technical failures. Haulotte Activ'Screen saves maintenance time and money thanks to direct access to troubleshooting, setting of machine parameters, management of preventive maintenance actions, and customized machine settings. A safe and secure password enables only trained maintenance technicians to access advanced functions. Technicians have access to advanced troubleshooting features to provide troubleshooting instructions in any situation. The whole process to resolve the problem is displayed, information about the probable cause of the failure, instructions to solve the problem, components to check and status in real time, diagnostic instructions and location of components. Through the Machine Settings menu, technicians can adjust all machine parameters such as speed, ramps, options, and calibrate the machine. Maintenance features are also available to alert technicians of required service intervals. Customized machine settings can be modified, such as metrics and language. The LCD display has been chosen to last a minimum of 50,000 hours. Fast and easy to replace, the LCD screen and panel can both be changed independently and easily, in less than 5 minutes. Fewer components make for greater reliability.